Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. First, we'll play back this video at normal speed. Alright, let's see if we can slow that down a bit using the YouTube settings tool. Now at the bottom right corner of the screen, there's a gear. When you put the arrow on that gear, settings will pop up. Click that gear. Now you can see autoplay, annotations, speed. We're after speed. The speed is normal. We're going to click on that, and then we'll see speed setting choices. We're going to go up to 0.5. Click on that. That's going to slow the speed down to half its normal speed. Now we can go back to the video and replay it. We can click on the screen or we can click on the arrow. As you can tell, it's a whole lot easier to follow the tutorialist with this setting. Now to put it back, we're simply going to move down to the gear arrow again, click it, go to speed, put it back to the normal setting, and then play. All right. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.